What's going on, man? How long it's been since you been there?
You don't know, you can't tell if they messed something up. He was at a red line.
Yeah.
His car flipped over. He got on top of that motherfucker and said, hell yeah. Hell motherfucking yeah.
You seen the rig?
Yeah, I got it on my phone.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Man, I wonder how bad it is. It look bad for you, so
Yeah. When he hit it like this, it went on up against him. So it's got the whole side of the car.
man.
The whole driver's side.
So from your thoughts right now, you think they're gonna be able to bring it back, or you gotta get another?
I don't know. It's gonna be a book, man.
Yeah. This fiberglass mixed up.
Just a little bit. Right there. Should be good.
Look out, man.
Oh, shit.
What's going on, man? We got Hell Yeah in the building.
Just trying to get some, that's it.
You ain't been bringing it out, though.
No, I didn't have time.
You ain't had time.
No, we just getting back, so.
How long it's been since you been out?
Shit, been out 11 years.
11 years?
11 years.
Damn.
Not out, but
Yeah.
DMV, I've been running the DMV there in Maryland
Oh, yeah.
for about 5 years, 6 years. Good people down there.
I went to the Custom Tees track.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was there, man.
MIR.
Yeah.
Been there, been to VFP.
Get up there.
Make them pass in the left lane. You don't know, you can't tell if they messed something up.
Left lane guy, right?
Tell the shot, this is the craziest dude out here tonight.
Yeah, I used to be. Shit, I'm just old as dirt now.
He the one.
Nah, you probably still crazy though. You got.
If you go on Facebook,
Hell yeah, was that,
If you ain't gonna be fast, you might as well be crazy.
Yeah.
hey man, hell yeah, fast, but check this out. He was at a red line.
Yeah.
His car flipped over. He got on top of that motherfucker and said, hell yeah. Hell yeah, bad motherfucker.
Yeah! Get some of this.
Hell yeah, goddamn.
Hell yeah!
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Get some of this.
That red line, that I-30.
Yeah.
It was called
A red line, yeah.
Yeah, hell yeah, flipped that bitch over.
Where
And
at?
He was on the side, on the track.
But
No,
I ain't see it.
it was white.
Oh, okay.
Long time ago, Q. You wasn't even.
I remember going
You might wasn't even thought of it.
Oh, it was that long?
Yeah, this car used to be white long time ago. This one is the other color.
Why was that dude flipped it out here back in the day?
Oh, this is a different car.
Big brother.
Oh, this is this.
That's a bad motherfucker though.
Exactly.
Hell motherfucking yeah! Goddamn.
It's all of.
be doing that shit no more. Hell motherfucking yeah!
We can't handle that landing no more.
You can't
Hell
handle.
motherfucking yeah!
Yeah! That's good to be back there, you know.
Fast by.
Bad motherfucker right here, man.
Yeah. Still.
If Funky Sound say this a bad bitch, this a bad bitch.
Fast.
Hell fucking yeah! Bad motherfucker right here, man. Bad bitch right here, man. Hell yeah! He one of the OGs of race. Bad motherfucker right there.
Somebody raced you. What you mean?
Say this a bad bitch. This a bad bitch.
Fast.
Hell fucking yeah.
He said he ain't been up here in 11 years. He said if you can't go fast, he crazy.
Bad motherfucker right here, man. Bad bitch right here, man. Hell yeah. Bad motherfucker right here, man.
He done knocked over both
Bad
cones and
bitch
shit
right here,
already.
man.